Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the 12 Layout Canvas Mockup in Photopea. First, go to photopea.com in any web browser. That's photopea.com. I'm using Google Chrome just because it worked a little faster than Safari, so if you're having trouble with your web browser, you might want to try Google Chrome. Once Photopea is open, just click Open from Computer to open the mockup. And then it's going to think for a little bit and load the mockup. When it does, we're going to be working in this handy layers panel right here. If you happen to not see the layers panel, you're going to want to go to Window, Layers to bring that up. And you'll see in this Canvas's layer group here, if you click the arrow icon in that layer, it'll expand and you'll see all these different canvas layouts. So you want to find your desired canvas layout. You can toggle through them by clicking the little eye icons. And then when you find the one you want, you just want to click the arrow icon to expand it. And then you'll see these layers that say like design hyphen. You want to double click the thumbnail icon in those layers to open up the smart object for that layer. And we're just going to copy and paste our design right into the smart object. So to do that, we'll go to File, Open, and then find our design on the computer. And once that loads in a few seconds, we'll go to Select All, and then Edit, Copy. And then we'll click back on the Smart Object file, and then go to Edit, Paste. And if you want to zoom out, you can press Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on a PC. If you need to resize the artwork a little bit, make it a little bigger or smaller, you can hold down the Shift key and then just click and drag on any one of these four corners. Dragging in makes it bigger, dragging in makes it smaller, dragging out makes it bigger. And when we're done with that, we'll just go to File, Save Smart Object, and it'll update the smart object for us. Then we can close it by clicking this little X on the Smart Object tab. We can also close our original design. And then it's going to helpfully put the design right on the canvas for us, just like that. And then next we want to turn the backgrounds on. So we'll just click this little eye icon on in the backgrounds layer panel. And we'll click on the arrow in the backgrounds layer to expand it. And then we'll see the different background layers. And you can just click the eye icons on and off to toggle through the different background layers. And when you find one you want to use, you can just save it and you're done. To do that, just go to File, Export as JPEG to save a JPEG for use as a thumbnail on Etsy and sites like that. You can also go to File, Save as PSD to save an original layered PSD file. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. This mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.